All right, welcome back, D. Another Durango. This time I got a 392, man. The big boy. And the diamond crystal black color. Check it out. Check this one out, man. Guys, a quick walk around. I just washed it. Now this is that 392 6.4 liter, man. This is the one. 475 horsepower, 470 torque. To about 8,700 pounds. You know, 0 to 60, give or take. The best I can get out of it was 4.9. But I heard some people say they got a 4.4. You know, all depends, I guess, on your skill. I wasn't really trying, just did it and went. But check this one out, man. Check out that front end. Like traditional Dodge headlights, you know, the LED headlight high beam, turn signal, front parking sensors with the Dapper cruise control right there, big SRT badge, street racing technology. Got your vents down there, cool them 6-piston Brimbos. Got your hood vents right there, cool down at 6.4. Check out these tires. Crazy, it's about almost the same tires you get on the, you know, the tow and go. But you know, these are 295 45 ZR20s. Check out those rims. Some Pirelli P0 Scorpion Zero. Sorry, 6-piston Brimbos. Like I said, sliding rotor. I know you guys think about those rims. Big 392 badge. This one does have a sunroof. Integrated turn signal. Check it out. I love the stance too, like how low it sits and just everything about it, man. Got your 4-piston Brimbos back there. It's pretty nice. Brimbos all around. Coming around to the rear, you know, everyone's favorite. Got your Durango and SRT in all black. Instead of 6.4. Rear parking sensors. Love those tail lights and that light bar. Now power lift gate. So I just washed this thing. You can fold the seats down. Check out that storage. Got your cigarette style charger right here. Got a little storage right here with the jack down there. Cully right here. Just pulling back up. Oh, you guys can hear me over that 6.4 growling. Got the red seats in there. Wait till you get to the interior. Just press that and walk away. On to the interior, man. Got the black exterior with the red interior. Pretty nice. I wish they give you that Ford, but it's almost like a carbon fiber. You know, this is pretty nice. Black with the white stitching, and then red with the white stitching. So check that out. Got the SRT all on the seats, the front and the back. You do get your heated seats back here with a house outlet and 2 USBs, cup holders. You know, cabin chairs, you get the armrests. Sunroof. Wish they give you the suede headliner. Probably got to get a premium SRT or something like that. It's crazy you get that on tow and go, man. Like I told you, these Dodges, like the way they configure their cars, man, it's crazy. Like you get a tow and go with the suede, but on the SRT, you just got to step up to something like a premium or something, which is crazy, man. Let me know what you guys think about that. Red seats back there. They do pull that and pull this red strap to get in the third row. But this thing is nice. Oh, black with the red, just need some tint. Then you got your blind spot and heated mirrors. Keyless entry as usual. Tap that to lock. Grab door handle to unlock. Check it out. Power seats, power lumbar. SRT. Street racing technology. SRT on the floor. like carbon. You know, check out the key. Got the SRT on the key, which is pretty nice compared to the standard. This is a tow and go I did. This is Dodge. Nice leather armrest. Pretty nice. It's a big 10.1 inch. Let's go around to the other side real fast. Show you guys this window sticker. Man, that thing look good. Especially with that diamond crystal. So that exhaust. Check out that metallic. Hope you guys can pick it up. So there's a Durango SRT 392 black. There you go. Check that out. Big Brimbos. Got to pause that if you want. Got the Alpine sound system in here. Check that out. 84,000, man. Things are expensive. If you guys care about the MPG 15 combined, 13 city, 19 highway, check it out. The best I could get is probably about 11. Check out that demonic red. Pretty nice seats. Check out that third row. So you just put some tin in here, man, you'd be good to go. Onto the driver's side. Do get memory seats. I do wish they give memory seats on the, you know, the passenger side. You know, it's an SRT, man. But two-person memory seats is fine. Same controls you get on the passenger side. You know, lumbar, power seats, as expected, been the SRT model. Step into the inside. Turn this stuff off. Check out the steering wheel. Nice flat bottom steering wheel. Nice thick steering wheel. This thing is pretty nice. Big paddle shifters. This thing is ready to go. Adaptive cruise control. This thing does light up, glow up like red at night, which is pretty nice. Especially with the red gauges. You know, this controls that. Go through that real fast. So you can have it digital or just have it onto the side. It's kind of crazy how it's kind of like laggy. I don't know, like this been in this SRT is kind of like laggy from the other ones I did. And look how it kind of graphics kind of look. So I don't know what's that about. Must be like something older compared to the other ones I've done. I never seen it actually look like this. So you got your intake temperature, engine torque, engine horsepower. Ain't great. I didn't rev this mug up to 4,000. It's like 20. Man, this thing is a beast. Got your SRT, pages 0 to 60, 0 to 100, you know, 60 foot, all that good stuff. Braking distance, your G's, peak G-forces, you know, lap history. And like I said, this one is a baby, man. Top speed only 46. So nobody been beating on this one. Got your driver assist, and like your fuel economy, 13. And your trip, see how it's like, I don't know, it's just, could just be it. Trailer, like I said, this one does tow 8,700 pounds. So this thing is ready to go. Got your diagnostics, your speed limit, speed warning. Check that out. Top speed 180 miles per hour. This thing is ready to go. Big 10.1 inch with the gloss black all around. That red looks pretty nice. Talked about this a bunch, but pretty straightforward by now. You know, like I said, widgets. You can add different widgets. You know, say what you want. Right now it's map and radio. Quick menu right here for your heated and cool seats. Heated steering wheel. And these ventilated seats are like air conditioning seats, so none of that fan stuff. Got your drivers. If you want sharing the 392. Check out that rear camera. Check it out. A little shortcut menu. media right here for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM radio, all that good stuff, man. Built-in navigation, pretty responsive. You know, your phone and your vehicle pages. Fold those third row seats down. Boom. Wish they fold up, but it's pretty cool. So here's your SRT pages. Dashboard, you got your performance pages right here. Same thing you get in the tow and go, which is pretty dope. So you're not really missing out much when you go go get a tow and go from the SRTs. Besides the power, so you can still see your little dyno. This thing moves. Vehicle dynamics. Let's go back here. Go to race options. So you got your launch control, and you can set that right now. It's set by 1800. Set that going up to 3500. You got a little shift light, so you can set it for your different gears. The 8-speed, which is pretty nice. Okay, there you go. Drive modes. Gee, I don't know why it's kind of lagging today. Got a track, sport. See what it does. Transmission, paddle shifters, all-wheel drive. Or you can do auto. That's what auto does. Snow, you know, the 50/50. Tow. You can set up custom. Or even put it in eco mode. But I'm putting it in track right now. See how that sound. Turn off the traction control. Been all-wheel drive, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, this thing is a beast, man. You got your physical buttons for your heated and ventilated seats, steering wheel, climate control, SRT take you right to that drive modes. Got a launch button right here. Launch unavailable, new car. So you gotta get the break-in miles. But wish maybe if I could find a used one or something, I'd probably do it one day. But you got your traction control, parking sensors, you know, lane sense. Got your 2 USB-Cs and 2 regular normal USBs. Phone, wireless phone charger right there. Look, some cup holders with that carbon fiber right there. So you got the backup camera again. So yeah, man, check it out with the white stitching with the red seats. Even got this nice sunroof. SRT, baby. This thing is hard. Show you guys that 6.4. Check out that interior again. Gotta love it, black with the red. Check that out. I love how they got the SRT on the second row. Should have just gone ahead and topped it off with the third row. Oh, one thing I do wish, man, I wish they give you, like, look at the pedals, man. Should give you some of those aluminum pedals or something, you know? Just some regular pedals you get in a V6 or something. But you know what you don't get in the V6? A 392 6.4. Like I said, 475 horsepower, man. 470 pound-feet of torque. Check it out. Got the vents. Get the heat up out of here. Alright, boys and girls, driving the 392 Durango. Right now I got it left it in track. Just me pulling out the lot. This thing is shifting like hard, man. This nice thick flat bottom steering wheel is pretty nice. Suspension is stiff. Try to give it a little bit of the beans around this corner. Turn real fast. See how it does. I don't want to ride the gas, but this thing is nice, man. Sounds pretty good. Man, them Hemi motors, man. Once you start stepping on the gas, them things sound, they come alive, man. They sound pretty good, dude. Just stop. The thing about this one is from the, like just doing 50 right now. Those towing goals and the regular Durangos, you know, just a 5.7. I hear a lot of drone. Like right now, like I said, I'm just doing 45, 46. Let me see. You start hearing it when you step on it. Yeah, this thing is nice. First time driving one of these bad boys. I drove the plenty of scat packs and all that, but this thing is nice. Give a little bit of the beans. Man, this thing is nice, man. I love the red seats in here. Sunroof. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. This thing is nice. Mess around and get in trouble in this thing. Let me know what you guys think. Give you guys one last walk around. Man, that front end is hard. Probably take it out and a little test drive. Kind of low on gas. See if it doesn't run out of gas on me. But let me know what you guys think about this black. Black on black. If it had the black interior. Black with the red. So that's 6.4. Gotta love it, man. Check it out. This bad boy is nice. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this Durango 392, man. Especially with this black, man. I think it's pretty hard. This is D, man. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.